It is a momentous occasion that not only marked the passing symbolizes the unity of our world, the strength of our resolve. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the Philmoon Honor Guard Drill Team. In the silent precision of drill formation, the symbol Dome emerges as a powerful representation of unity, precision, strength, and progress. The silent drill concept, pure movement, become a living symbol of the cross, embodying sacrifice, unity, and strength. The heart formation is a powerful symbol of camaraderie, dedication, and service. The circle emerges as a profound symbol, echoing the unity, resilience, and wavering commitment of our military reserve as we celebrate the 38th founding anniversary. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Philmoon Honor Guard Drill Team. another milestone because our armed forces, the 1980 Silent War is end. As a testament to the nobility and unwavering commitment of the American forces. The reserve officer grade for Fraser, example beginning with the passing of the otherwise known as the National Defense Act, which authorized the government directive to instruct, train, and develop young members of society in preparation for the defense of the state. It was adopted by the Field Marshal of the United States Force in the Northeast, General Douglas MacArthur. Today, the ROTC continues to aim to develop cadets to become dedicated, efficient, and upright leaders for tomorrow. The Philippine is headed by our visionary National President, Dr. Raimundo A.R. Saigas DCMD, Dean Ruby Mayra A. Lam, Philippine ROTC Coordinator, Jericho M. Gabuñas, our Philippine ROTC Commandant, Lieutenant Colonel Villamante Rogelio Jr., Philippine Army. The Philmon Honor Guard Drill Team composed of 44 students from Pamantasan ng lungsod ng Muntinlupa ROTC Unit, headed by its platoon leader, Cadet Colonel Florante R. Dicena, First Class, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Claudine Claire C. Tagle, First Class, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Angelo J. Barona, First Class, Cadet Captain Meden F. Almasan, Second Class, Cadet Captain Marie Estela D. Andales, Second Class, Cadet Captain Tyron J. F. Garha, Second Class, Cadet Captain John Michael S. Galit, Second Class, Cadet Captain Diane Rose R. Cuervo, Second Class, Cadet Captain Karina Ramirez, Second Class, Cadet Probationary Second Lieutenant Tina Sasha D. Masaraga, Third Class, Cadet Probationary Second Lieutenant Jerome T. Mabesa, Third Class.